Hello, in this video we're gonna check if a VIVO X80 Pro has a stereo speakers. So in order to do this, first we'll need to locate all of the speakers on this device, and the first one is on the screen right here. That's the phone call speaker. Next is on the bottom right here, and any other. So there's two speakers on this device. Now to determine if that's a stereo or mono speaker, we'll need to cover each of them and play some music. And if the sound is coming from two sources, that means it's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming from only one source, that means it's a mono speaker. So now let's play the music. So clearly sound is coming from both of the speakers, this one, and that means it's a stereo speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.